Welcome back everyone to this series of learning math. We are learning arithmetic progressions. This video is quite late, I know, because I was engaged in some other work, but fine. Right now we are going to continue with it. Where did we finish last? Exercise 5.3, question number 10th. Okay, this is done. So we'll start solving from question number 4. So if you do not already have, I would recommend that you get your textbooks and then we can start solving the questions together. So right now we'll focus on question number 4. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of, so we have a sum that is 636. Whenever you read a question, first of all, it is always to take a pause and observe. Simply just observe. Don't try to think about the answer or whether you will be able to solve this question or not. Simply just focus on following the right procedure, because in mathematics, if you focus more on the result, it is unlikely that you will get the right result. If you focus more on the process, on the method, on the procedure, so if that is right, then the answer comes out as a byproduct. Okay, so if you do the right method, if you follow the right procedure, you will almost always end up with the right answer. So never just think about the answer. Okay, I just want to, figure out what the right answer is. You simply focus on the method that you must follow. So now they're asking how number of terms. Okay, we only have one formula, that is Sn, but in that formula we will need A. So what is the first term? First term is 9. What is the common difference? 17 minus 9. So 9 plus 8 is 17, I guess. Yes. So we have common difference is 8 and the first term is 9 and Sn is this. So what is the formula that we have? Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula we have. So we have the value of Sn, that is 636, is equal to, we don't know what is n, that is supposed to be found. N upon 2, 2 into a is 9, obviously. We don't know n, and d is 8. So far so good. Now this is a valid equation because there is only one unknown, that is n. So if there is only one unknown, it is okay to have one equations. If there are two unknowns, you need at least two equations to solve that. If there are three unknowns, you need three equations. If you have learned linear equations, you will know this. Okay, so since there is only one n, we can solve this. Let's take 2 on this side. 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 6 2s are 12. 1 2 7 2 is equal to n, 9 2s are 18 plus 8n minus 8. I think this would be a quadratic equation, but fine. 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n. So what we have over here is 1272 is equal to 10n plus 8n square. You can still take 2 common, I think. 636 is equal to 5n plus 5 2 5s are 2 4s are 4n square, right? I'll have to make some space. Okay, now this is the linear equation that we have. We have a quadratic equation, sorry. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Okay, now since this is a linear equation, not linear equation, it's a quadratic equation. So what is 636 multiplied by 4? 6 4s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So 2544, you need to prime factorize this. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is the benefit of this video, that I am going to actually solve and find answers to all the questions, not simply just take shortcuts. 12 2s are 24, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 15 2s are 30, 9 2s are 18, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 53. I don't think 53 is 53 is a prime number. 54 is in 13. Yeah, I think 53 is a prime number then. Let's see if we can prime factorize this. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3s are 48. Or we have our answer. 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. This is going to be rather messy. Let's see. So if we take n common over here, we get 4n plus 53. And if we take minus 12, divided by 636, 12 5s are 60, 12 3s are 36, 53. Okay, then we'll take 12 common over here, and then we'll again get 4n plus 53. Now there is one question that I must ask over here is, how did I end up with a positive sign over here? Because here is subtract, here is minus, here is minus. How did this end up as positive? Because if I open this bracket, minus plus becomes minus. So that is why this is positive. Now we have n minus 12 and we have 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Let me just, now it should be visible. Okay, so n minus 2, obviously n is equal to 12. N cannot be minus 53 upon 4. So number of terms is 12. I hope it is clear. Yes. Let us make some space. All right. Let's go to question number 5. The first term of an AP is this. It is given A is equal to 5, and the last term, or L, last term is 45, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Okay. I think number of terms, there was one formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. When you know the first term and the last term and you know the number of terms, this is when you can use this formula. But in question number 5, the sum is given. So still this formula stands valid because there will only be, I guess, n as unknown. Let's try this. Sum is 400. 400 is equal to n upon 2. What is the first term? 5. And what is the last term? 45. 45 plus 5, 50, 25. So n is equal to 400 divided by 25. I think in the table of 25 we will have 400. I'm not able to recollect that right now. 25 ones are 25. 150. 25 6 is 150, I guess. Yes, the 25 6. So n is equal to 16. So we have number of terms is 16. Now we also must find the common difference. How do you find the common difference? Let's, if the last term, so there are total 16 terms. Okay, so we can use this formula. I hope you remember. In the first exercise, we learned this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So the last term was 45. A is, what is A? A is 5 plus 16 the terms, so 15D. If there are total 16 terms and last term is 45, first term is 5, 40 is equal to 15D. D is equal to 40 upon 15. 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. So D is 8 upon 3. I would really want to check this answer because fraction ma it is let's check this. 25 into 16, 250, 6 5s are 30, 12 150, 0 5 plus 5 10. No, it's 400. 16 is correct. So n is 16 and common difference is 8 upon 3. Okay, there is no other reason for it. Let me make some space. Let's go to next question. Question number 6. The first and the last terms of an AP are this and this respectively. There is only one AP. A is 17. L is 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So we need to find the... So if I know the last term, can I find the position of that number? Absolutely yes. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Okay. So we know the last term, 350 is equal to, we know the first term, 17. We don't know the number of terms, fine, but we know d. 350 is equal to 17 plus 9n minus 9. So far so good. 350 is equal to 17 minus 9 is 8. Yes, 9 plus 8 plus 9n. Now if this 8 goes over here, it will be subtracted. So 342 is equal to 9n. Let's hope this is divisible. 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27, 9 8s are 72. So n is equal to 38. So there are total 38 terms. So you found how many terms are there and what is their sum. So this is the second part. Let me do it over here. Sn, how do you find the sum? N upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. The reason why I keep on repeatedly writing this formula in the questions is because it helps you to memorize it properly. If you know the formula, the questions, they become easier. All right. So always write the formula and it helps. It will give you the teacher will at least give you 1 mark if you correctly write the formula. So n is 38, 38 upon 2, 2 into a is 17 plus n minus 1, 38 minus 1, 37 into common difference is 9. 19, 17 2s are 34 plus 37 into 9, 7 9s are 63, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 6 is 33. Right. 19 multiplied by 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 3, 6. All right, now we must multiply as well. Because we have to find the answer, I cannot just leave it. 367 multiplied by 19, 3670, 7 9s are 63. 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 6, 60, 9 3 are 27, 27 plus 6 is 33, 3 7 9. So the answer will be 6973. This is the sum. Let's go on to the next question. Let me just erase. Let's move on to question number 7th. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP. Oh, I need to erase this. Okay, find sum of first 22 terms. So n is equal to 22, in which d is equal to 7, and 22nd term is a plus 21d. Since it is n minus 1, so 22 minus 1, 21 is 149. Right. So in the place of d, you can put 7. A plus 21 multiplied by 7 is equal to 149. A is equal to 149 minus 147. So A is equal to 2. So the first term is 2, D is 7, and N is 22. Now what we must find is sum. Now this question becomes fairly easy, because Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. We know all, we know n, we know a, we know d. So let me simply just put the value 22 upon 2, 2 into 2 plus n is 22. So 22 minus 1, 22 minus 1 is 21, and d is 7. So this gives you 11, 2 2s are 4 plus 147. 147 plus 4, how much do you get? This should be 11 multiplied by 151. 1510, 151, 1 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 1. Really? I'll have to do. I'm not really sure. Okay, fine. So the answer is 1661. This is the answer to question number 7. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 8. Let's go to question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are this. Second term is a plus d is equal to 14, and the third term is a plus 2d is equal to 18, and n is equal to 51 terms we have been given. So this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. Okay, we'll do it by the method of elimination, that is a plus d is 14, a plus 2d is 18. You simply just change the signs, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, cut. Minus d is equal to minus 4, so d is equal to 4. Now you have d is equal to 4, put d is equal to 4 in equation number 1. What do you get? A plus 4 is equal to 14, so a is equal to 10. So now we have the first term, we have the common difference, we have n. And what are they asking? We must find sum of first 51 terms. So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so what is n? 51 upon 2, 2 into a, what is a is 10, plus 51 minus 1, 50, into common difference is 4. Right. 51 upon 2. So this is 20 plus 200. So that gives us 51 upon 2. 220. So this gives you 110. So let us 51 510 511. So answer will be 5610. This is the answer to question number 8. Let's move on to question number 9. Mathematics. Ganito. Chalo, fine. Let's go to question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is this, find the sum of n terms. Oh, sum of first 7 terms. N is equal to 7 and it is given S7 is 49. Okay, and that of 17 terms, N is equal to 17 and S17 is equal to 289. Okay, find the sum of first n terms. We simply just need to find let's see, 49 is equal to 7 upon 2, 2a plus 6d. So this 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14. So we have 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. This can be further shortened to a plus 3d is equal to 7. I've simply just taken 2 common from both sides and that 2 will get cancelled. So this is your first equation. Second is n is equal to 17. So 289 is equal to 17 upon 2, 2a plus total number of terms are 17. 17 minus 1 is 16, 16d. Now 289 is the square of 17. So 17 17s are 17 2s are. So we'll write 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. We can still simplify this by taking 2 common on both sides. So a plus 16a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is your second equation. Now let's use elimination. A plus 3d. This is your first equation. Simply just change the signs, positive, negative. 8 minus 3 is 5d. 17 minus 7 is 10. So d is equal to 2. We have common difference. What are they asking? Find the sum of first n terms. Okay, we have d is equal to 2. Okay, so I'll put the value of d in this equation. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 minus 6, that is 1. So we have a and we have d. Can we find s sum in terms of n? Yes, Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1, d is again 2. So n upon 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled. So that should give us n by 2 multiplied by 2n. 2 is cut. So sum is n square. That is the sum. Alright guys, I think that's about it for this video. In the next video, we will continue from question number 10.